Hi everyone, it's me again, Latricia from version 2 point of view. Right, let's move straight to number 5 on our list of the top 6 things that make a guy want to date you. And this one is intelligence. So, why intelligence? Well, intelligence strongly suggests that you're curious and have a desire to learn new stuff. Also, it indicates that you're creative. It suggests that you can hold your ground in conversations and bring a new perspective to things. One way of showing your intelligence is by asking thoughtful questions. Another is to freely share your own ideas and opinions on subjects he just talked about. Now, if you feel unsure about your intelligence, I encourage you to attend classes and workshops, read more books, and look up stuff online. Okay, that's my advice on the importance of intelligence. Be ready for my 6th and final tip, ladies.